So my name is Sona. I work at Taziker as the head of FRP solutions. So the company has been operating for over 50 years in the infrastructure industry. So we do a lot of bridges, building, scaffolding, painting and refurbishing steel structures, and now FRP. So we were looking for something that had air compression to hold the section in place so it doesn't move when you're cutting, and for a saw that could cut and tilt on an angle, because a lot of our sections require that angle joint. So we cut FRP box sections, tubes, and channels on this. Again, it's the accuracy, being able to clamp it down so it doesn't move. So you can always set up a jig where you know you're cutting the same thing every time. It speeds up rather than having to do it by hand. But it's really straightforward. Oh, it's quite easy to pick up. Again, training only takes a couple hours. As part of the FRP Solutions division, we assemble and manufacture footbridges to go over the railway network. So what you see here is a sample of our legacy vision bridge. So the lattices that you see sandwich a polycarbonate sheet, and these were cut out on the CNC machine. The post lengths were cut on the radial arm saw, and these lattices actually slot in, which was actually done on the CNC machine as well. So this ensures accuracy all the way throughout. We're able to piece it like a giant mechano set. It's been pretty good. We had a 2-day training course with one of the Dalton Wadkin guys, and anytime I have a question, I email, and it gets answered within 5-10 minutes.